Instant Upright is the world's leading manufacturer of mobile aluminium tower systems and in 1947 pioneered the design of the first ever span tower with adjustable legs. The concept was successfully introduced into the market and changed the face of the common scaffold tower forever. 60 years later, the instant aluminium span tower system is in everyday use by tradesmen all over the world, taking its place on the worksite alongside many different types of access equipment. The span tower provides numerous advantages to the user over other types of access equipment, such as mobile elevating work platforms. When compared to the scissor lift, for example, the mobile aluminium tower can equal any height, provide varying widths, and can access virtually any area. The product's versatility to cover almost any application has secured its timeless popularity amongst access equipment users in every type of business sector. On the new build construction site, the aluminium tower provides the most versatile solution at second fix stage, where access is more restricted and floor loading becomes a major consideration and lightweight mobile equipment is needed. Towers are used to gain access for the installation of electrics, sprinkler systems, heating and ventilation systems. They're also used by painters and decorators, lighting fitters and sign erectors, and by no means is this list exhaustive. On the service and maintenance side, there are market opportunities for the aluminium tower everywhere: residential, industrial, commercial, transportation, educational, utilities, retail and leisure, hospitals, infrastructural, and many more. For the professional access provider, whether selling or renting, instant aluminium span towers provide excellent utilization and an extremely high return on investment. The instant span tower range is constructed from lightweight, high-strength aluminium and features the unique rib grip cold form jointing system. The uniquely designed instant rib grip joint is at the core of the instant span tower's design excellence. This cold-formed, non-welded joint requires little or no maintenance and provides up to 3 times the strength of welded joints, which can affect the properties of the metal. Each tube has a heat-treated cast aluminium fitting. The tube is cold-formed into the annular grooves located on the internal and external diameters of the fitting, giving the ribbed appearance on the finished joint. Guaranteed for 10 years, the instant rib grip joint has been a key contributor to the product's high utilization factor for professional access providers. The product range is made up of 3 primary systems: Span 300, Span 400, and Span 500. Each of these systems has been developed over many years to satisfy particular market requirements and regulations. The instant span tower range is available in narrow and wide versions and varying platform lengths. Each tower is made up of a number of components to achieve varying heights to provide a safe, versatile working platform for users. Because the span tower is made up of components, the product can be adapted to suit almost every type of access requirement. It can work internally or externally as a standalone tower, a bridged access system, a cantilever solution to overcome obstructions, or at its simplest, as a folding low-level work platform. Each component is manufactured from the finest raw materials with quality engineered in. The instant product range complies with all international technical and quality standards, including EN 1004 work at height regulations, ANSI and OSHA, and is manufactured in an ISO 9001 approved facility. Instant Upright provide a painted tower option on all span frames, which gives customers a strong own brand identity and makes the product easy to identify on site. Powder coated, the painted tower is available in a wide range of colors and is now used all over the world, particularly in those countries with a strong rental market. Many instant span tower users have adopted the Instant VX base, a high-strength, one-piece folding base unit for use with standard span towers. With fewer components, the VX base speeds erection and dismantling times, reduces inventory levels, and reduces the risk of incorrect assembly at the base of the tower. Instant Snappy is a lightweight, simple folding work platform which folds out and is ready to use in seconds. Used widely by electricians, painters and decorators, and heating and ventilation contractors, Snappy is compact and light enough to be transported in a small van. As a standalone platform, Snappy provides several different platform heights, up to 2 meters or 6 feet, and it can also be combined with span tower components to gain working heights of up to 4 meters or 13 feet. By adding other products from the Instant range, such as Instant Spandeck, 2 span towers can be linked together to provide a bridged work platform spanning up to 7.4 meters. Spandeck can be used as a simple staging and as permanent and temporary walkways. The Instant Stairway Tower gives a safe stairway-type access with landing platforms every 2 meters or 6 feet. Extremely fast and easy to assemble, the tower is made up of standard components with a stairway access and guardrails added, available in 300 and 400 versions. Instant Snap-Out is a unique product which has been used successfully by the offshore industry and for power generation boiler maintenance. As a quick erect boiler maintenance system, Snap-Out is combined with Instant Spandeck to provide multi-level working platforms inside the boiler. The system has been used successfully to reduce labor costs when compared to steel systems. Instant Towermatic systems are lightweight work podiums. They're flat-packed and simply unfold and lock into position, providing a safe, stable work platform. Each Towermatic has a range of adjustable heights and incorporates integral outriggers which provide additional stability. There are many considerations to take into account when choosing an instant aluminium tower system. Compared with powered access, the product you're buying is a system which will be added to and is likely to remain in the company's product offering for a number of years. Compared to the welded tower system, the rib grip joint averages 3 times the strength of the welded joint. This highlights the product durability and enables you to use the product for 2 to 3 times the lifespan of a welded tower, without any additional costs. Based upon return on investment, the purchasing decision to invest in a premium product such as the Instant Tower will take into account the additional revenue and profit payback from the longer life of the asset. This is backed up by a 10-year no-quibble warranty. The durability of Instant is more importantly illustrated by the thousands of rib grip scaffold towers still in many rental companies after over 15 and 20 years of heavy continuous use. Importantly, you need to know that the tower system you choose will give you a high return on investment. Let us look at what return on investment you could expect. This example is based on a standard 6-meter or 20-foot electric scissor lift and a 6-meter or 20-foot instant span tower. The span tower has a much lower capital investment. The electric scissor lift is about 4 times more expensive than the tower. Rental rates for span towers remain strong in both mature markets and developing markets, and are not subject to extreme price cuts as with powered access. Allowing for 50% utilization in the year, the span tower offers far quicker payback. 9 months as compared to 2.5 years for the scissor lift. This ensures a far higher return on investment by the Instant Span Tower. Profit margins are as high as 50% based on 50% utilization on site. Other key benefits when comparing a span tower to an electric scissor lift. There are no warranty issues. The cost of transport is greatly reduced. The product can have a potential lifespan of up to 20 years. Even when compared to a welded tower, the revenue generated by the span tower is far higher due to its increased lifespan. This can be illustrated to you on a simple spreadsheet developed by Instant Upright. High strength, highly durable aluminium construction, non-corrosive, little or no maintenance required, rib grip joints guaranteed for 10 years, up to 3 times stronger than welded joints. Unlike welded towers, off-hire inspections are significantly reduced, specifically designed to withstand the rigors of the job site, and because they do not break, utilization is high. High platform capacity. Our platforms on span 300 and 400 towers can take a capacity of 360 kilograms or 500 pounds at each working level. This is 30% more than most of our competitors. Painted tower capability. Used widely by the world's leading access providers. Painted in your colors to strengthen on-site brand identity. Return on investment. Low capital investment. Fast payback. High profitability. No warranty issues. Longer lifespan. Customer and technical support. We provide all our customers with an uncompromised support package.
The quality of the product, we can see that, we have sold it since 1978. Well, it has actually been in Sweden since 1955 when it all started. And it's a quality product all the way through. We haven't had any problems at all.
The customers do need a reliable supplier in the current supply chain within the construction industry in particular. There are so many pitfalls out there. They need the confidence that they can go to a one-stop shop on a hire and sales basis that's got a quality global manufacturer supporting them, and Instant Upright does that for us.
Instant. Quality and strength you can trust. For further information on all Instant products and services, visit www.instantupright.com.